What did the kalam say about Maulana Mu'in Chishti Sultan al-Hind? Shah-e Noor-e Najaf. Afwan, Noor-e Shah-e Najaf, right? Yeah, he said that. We were listening to it on the way. He says Noor-e Shah-e Najaf. Mu'in Chishti here in Ajmer. The Noor of who? Where did he get his Noor from? From Shah-e Najaf. Who's Shah-e Najaf? Huh? Who's Shah-e Najaf? بغير حب علي مدعى نهي بغير حب علي مدعى نهي عبادتك بهرج الصلة نهي खुदा के बंदो सुनो गौर से खुदा के कसम जिसे अली नहीं मिलते Sufis love Ahlul Bayt.